Hey everyone, welcome back to MLM Income Learning Network. Today I want to talk about something that could make or break your network marketing business in 2025. Digital marketing. Here's the truth. The days of cold DMs, bugging friends and family, and old school home parties are fading. If you're not learning how to attract people online, you are already behind. But the good news is, if you master just a few digital marketing secrets, you can build residual income without chasing anyone. In this video, I'll share 5 proven digital marketing strategies for network marketers in 2025 that are working right now. Let's dive in. Secret number 1: content marketing over cold messaging. Content marketing beats cold messaging every time. Look, spamming 100 strangers with copy and paste scripts doesn't build trust. In fact, it pushes people away. Instead, use short form content. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are dominating attention in 2025. Here's how it works. Instead of telling people you have the best product, show them. Record a 30-second clip showing how your product solves a real problem. For example, if it's a wellness product, show the before and after of how it improved your daily routine. Consistency is key. One high-value video every day beats sending 100 desperate DMs. And remember, people don't want to be sold. They want to be educated and entertained. Secret number 2: build a personal brand. Build a personal brand, not just a company pitch. In network marketing, people don't join companies. They join people they know, like, and trust. That's why your brand matters more than your company's brand. Here's the strategy. Pick 3 content pillars. These are 3 main topics you post about consistently. For example, if you're in health and wellness, your pillars might be healthy living tips, entrepreneurship insights, and lifestyle motivation. This way, people see you as a well-rounded leader and not just someone pushing products. When you position yourself as a trusted guide, prospects naturally ask you what you do. That's authority. That's attraction marketing. Secret number 3: leverage AI tools for automation. AI is your unfair advantage in 2025. Right now, the smartest network marketers are using AI to scale their efforts without burning out. For example, ChatGPT can help you create social media captions, video scripts, and even follow-up messages in seconds. Canva AI can design professional graphics, reels, and even presentations without hiring a designer. ManyChat or Mobile Monkey can automate Messenger and Instagram replies, so you're engaging 24/7 even while you sleep. Notion AI can organize your content calendar, making sure you never run out of posting ideas. AI won't replace you, but it will multiply your efforts. And in MLM, speed and consistency are everything. Secret number 4: email and funnel marketing still works. Email and funnel marketing are still powerful in 2025. Here's the thing. Social media is rented land. Algorithms change. Platforms crash. But your email list is yours forever. The formula is simple. Offer a lead magnet like a free guide, a short ebook, or a simple checklist. Collect emails using a landing page. Tools like System.io, ConvertKit, or ClickFunnels make this easy. Nurture those leads with valuable content, product education, business tips, and stories. Why? Because trust takes time. Many people won't buy or join on day one. But if you nurture them through email, by day 30, they feel like they know you. That's when conversions happen. Secret number 5. Community equals conversion. Community drives conversion. Think about it. People buy when they feel like they belong. That's why creating a private Facebook group, Telegram channel, or Discord server can be a game changer. Instead of blasting random posts, create a safe space where people can ask questions, share wins, and learn together. Inside that space, you can provide training, recognition, and motivation. When people feel supported, they stick around, and in MLM, retention equals residual income. Let's do a quick recap of the 5 digital marketing secrets for network marketers in 2025. Number 1, content marketing beats cold messaging. Number 2, build a personal brand around your expertise. Number 3, leverage AI tools for automation. Number 4, use email and funnels to nurture long-term trust. And number 5, build community, because community equals conversion. Now, if you got value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button, drop your biggest takeaway in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly strategies on MLM, digital marketing, and building residual income online. Here's my final thoughts. In 2025, the network marketers who survive won't be the ones who hustle the hardest. They'll be the ones who market the smartest. Digital marketing isn't the future, it's the present. Master these secrets now, and you'll not only stand out in your company, you'll position yourself as a true leader in the industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.